sell stock. You are giving an array of prices, where prices at I is the prices of a given stock on the ith day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from these transactions. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. So for start, we want to buy when the price is low and sell when price is at high in order to make the maximum profit. So to do that, I'm going to use a iterative approach. I'm going to loop through the array, and I'm going to keep track of the profit I can make, and then also the prices I'm buy. So whenever I encountered a lower price, I will buy at that price, and whenever I can find a higher profit, I will set my higher profit to that number. So let's start coding. So first, I will have an integer called buy at. So this will be the prices I buy the stock. So I'm gonna buy at the first day, and then I will have an integer called profits. I will initialize to 0, and then I will loop through the array. So since we can only buy in the future, so we buy at the first day, so I will start looking for the prices on the second day, from the second day. And then here I will have a integer called current price. So this will be the prices at index I. And then we'll have another variable called current profit, which is the prices. Actually, is the current price minus the prices we buy at. So we have those two numbers. Next, we can have conditional check. So first, we want to buy at lower price. So to do that, we will check if the current price is less than the price we buy at. Then I will set, and then we want to buy at the current price. And another condition is when we found a higher profit, we want to set the profit to the higher profit. So when we found higher profit, in that case, we will check if the current profit is greater than the profits. Then that means we find a higher profit. Then we want to update our profits to the current profit. And then by doing this, we will go through the array, and then at the end we will find the profit will be the maximum profit we can make. So we return profits. And then lastly, let's handle some edge cases. So if the prices array is equal to none, or prices array dot length is less than 2, then we return 0. So when prices is null, or when the prices array is empty or just have one element, that means it's impossible to make profit. So like the question asks, when we cannot achieve any profit, we return 0. And lastly, let's analyze. Let me see the time and space complexity. The time complexity will be O of n because we use a single for loop to loop through the input prices array. And then for the space complexity will be O of 1 because we only create a few variables. We didn't create other data structures. So that's why we will only use the constant space. And next, let's test our code. Oh, there's a semicolon. Okay, so looks like we passed the test.